We're leaving our campsite in Jal and are headed to Guadalupe National Park. Camping there is on the first come, first serve basis, so let's hope we get a spot because we're going to be there around 11, 12, and they said they fill up midday. Alright, moment of truth. I see spots. Alright, I think we found a spot. Very happy there's spots available. Probably like 8 RV spots, so we did good. So we found a good spot, nice view. Now we just gotta pay for it. Ooh, it's chilly today. We've been used to the warm weather. It's like in the 40s right now. So these park rangers just pulled out of nowhere. They pulled out the stretchers, so we think that somebody might have slipped on the mountain because they were talking about bringing somebody down when I went outside. Just had an ambulance arrive. The rangers that left earlier, they still haven't come back yet. It's been at least an hour now. We just saw the stretcher come out and a lot of rangers came down, so I think it's about time we'll see what happened. Dang, it looks really serious. We're hiking to the tallest peak in Texas today, going up 3,000 feet, so we're bulking up. We just got ready, packed our food and water, and now we're going on the hike. So yeah, we are doing this trail right here. Highest peak in Texas.
Ready to do this?
Oh yeah.
I'm scared.
Dang, we can probably see for like 30 miles.
I'm tired. You think that's the height? That's it?
Yeah,
Where at?
yeah, that one.
What?
This trail turned into a forest very quickly. It's really cool.
This is fun.
Right? This is how most Colorado trails are. I think we are at the halfway point and are done with the strenuous part. I thought it would feel a lot worse, but so far so good. We've been hiking for the last couple of weeks and it's helping us prepare for this. This is definitely our longest and biggest hike ever so far. We are getting very close. Spirits are very high. We have a special treat planned for us once we get up there, so I can't wait for that. Alright, so I think this is the highest that we're gonna go because essentially it turned into a rock climb up and we're just not ready for that. I think we made it like 95% of the way there. It's just not worth the risk, especially we saw the lady yesterday. She tripped over a rock and we don't want to end up the same way. Still though, wow, what an amazing hike. This is the surprise we've been working for. Nice little can of Coke. For the last hour, that's all I was thinking about. Or we're 100 feet away from the tallest point in Texas, so as far as I'm concerned,
We made
we're
it.
the tallest people in Texas right at this moment.
And
It's so cold. I should have brought gloves. It's supposed to be like 72. But I guess when you're up in the mountain, it's not the same weather. The weather changed so fast. We were up in the mountains and freezing,
it is so cold up here.
and now it's getting hot that I'm opening up my jacket. I had to put on a third layer while we were up there, and my hands were so cold that I was moving in like slow motion trying to put on this shirt.
Yep.
It was blowing, oh my gosh. But yeah, now it just feels so much better. And this is the hike we were expecting.
We on the mountain.
We made it. We were literally like 50 feet away. My legs hurt, my knees hurt, everything hurts.
We still can't believe we hiked that far up. We're so proud of ourselves. After 3 nights there, we made our way back to New Mexico.
So we made it to the Chosa Campground. It's a BLM campground. It means that it's free and we're allowed to stay here for 2 weeks at a time. And then we just got to move 25 miles somewhere else and then we can stay again for 2 weeks. The only services here is there's a dumpster. This is like a BLM campground. Usually you just park near a road up to 300 feet away from it. And it's called dispersed camping, but this is a campground. It's just cool that it's here. It's very easy. We got the RV level pretty easy. So while we're here, Jayla's gonna try to give me a haircut. I've been needing one for a long time now. This is the longest hair I've ever had. So we're gonna see how it goes. We've never done it before.
I'm so scared, but I'm just gonna start and then the worst that can happen is what? That it's too short? Mm-hmm. I mean, them scissors. Are you nervous?
Yeah, at the top, just like literally go through and cut.
Like that. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
So this is the result of the haircut. It doesn't look too bad at all. I'm actually very happy with it. But right now it's so windy, like the RV is just rocking. I think we got another couple hours of this. That's been the most annoying part about this is, when did it get so windy? We're both really tired today. The wind kept pounding the RV, just shaking it all night. It was just too much, so we're not feeling our best today. Hopefully that will change though, because we're going to a really cool place, the Carlsbad Caverns. It should be really fun to explore. We're just hoping our moods improve throughout the day. Even though it's a pretty nice day out today, the caverns are 56 degrees all year round, so putting on a nice comfortable shirt so that we don't freeze inside.
Apparently it's wet inside and a little bit slippery, so put on our hiking boots just to be safe.
We're gonna walk through the natural entrance. It's longer, but it looks really cool. We just saw a map real quick. Had no idea it was this big.
Just a little quick orientation before you head in so you know what to expect, how to plan your day. The first leg of your journey, you're going to be descending.
So we thought today was going to be a chill day, walk into a cave, look around, and we were just told that it's going to take 40 minutes just to get down there, and 60 switchbacks, going down 600 some feet, I think. We're going right in there. This is too cool. I'm glad we're taking this entrance. It's a nice paved path, so it's not like rocky or anything. It's starting to get really dark. We're getting really into it, and it smells really bad. This is reminding me of a Disneyland ride where you're going through like the dark on a roller coaster and there's rocks.
This is so crazy. We're towards the bottom of this cave. We have to whisper. But there's like a little pocket of light, and then we're gonna head into the darkness.
Capturing this with the camera is really difficult. It's just too dark for it, but this is by far one of the coolest places I've ever been in.
I don't know if you can tell, but my hair has grown like twice the size. Because it's 90% humidity in here.
So we made it to the main area and we saw a sign for a snack bar and we just can't resist getting some snacks underground. What is that?
What is
Hang on, let me get a flashlight. That's a baby stalagmite. Started dripping from up there. It dried out. And eventually it'll start dripping again and it'll dry out. And millions of years from now, it'll be up towards the ceiling.
Oh, like it'll build up. Oh.
That's why it's called a stalagmite. It might make it to the ceiling. A stalactite holds tight to the ceiling, and they meet in the middle, make a column.
Right, which we saw a couple of. That is so cool.
But that's what it looks like when they first get started.
How long did y'all notice it? Like, how long has this been taped off?
It's been about 6 months.
Okay, wow.
So we just did this. So now we're here and we're gonna go all the way around again. Alright, we made it out of the cave. It was such a cool experience. Gotta do a quick stop at the grocery store because we're out of ketchup. And I can't eat hot dogs without ketchup.
Hiking down to the cave was one of the best experiences we had. We've never seen anything like it. The plan was to go back to that BLM spot for the night, but at the last minute, we decided to make the drive to El Paso. We need to make a quick stop at the vet before continuing to White Sands National Park in New Mexico.